Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the loose thread and determining whether it's from a seam, hem, or surface stitch, because the fix differs. Once you know the source, trim the thread to about 1/4 of an inch if it's frayed, but do not pull it out completely yet. Make sure to have a needle and matching thread ready. This first step prevents further unraveling and sets you up to resecure the area properly so repair will last. You thread the needle, and if the fabric needs strength, use a doubled thread. This gives you more hold without extra bulk. Next, start a few millimeters before the loose area and work small backstitches along the original stitch path so the load is redistributed. Once you reach past the damaged zone, reverse direction for a few stitches to lock it. Make sure to keep tension even so the fabric lies flat. Too tight causes puckers, too loose will fail quickly. You finish by tying a secure knot on the inside or by weaving the thread through nearby stitches to hide the tail, because visible knots can catch and wear. Once tied, trim the tail to about 1/8 of an inch and press gently if the material tolerates heat to flatten the repair. If the area still frays or the fabric is weakened, make sure to add a small reinforcing patch or apply a fray control liquid. This step prevents recurrence and keeps the repair durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.